G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video, it's road trip crochet time. I am making up a granny stitch sun hat and I'm going to be using some beautiful rainbow cotton. This is a really easy pattern because it starts off with a granny square, you make it to the size you need and you just keep going until the sides are long enough. It is so easy. If you can make a granny square, you can definitely make this one. Oh my gosh, did you just see all the ends that I need to sew in there? It's a little bit crazy, but it does give a good effect when you change colour every round. And we went to the Spotlight store, which if you are not in Australia, that is equivalent to Michael's and Joann's. Check out the price of this yarn, $18. I thought that was a bit of a rip-off, but they did have a huge sale on, so I managed to get it for about $10.20, so I was very happy with that. Bernat's Velvet Plus, $21. What do you pay for this yarn where you live? I know it's more expensive where we are because we are in Australia and have to import the yarn. Karen baby cakes, $13. These are really pretty and I was very tempted to get some of those Karen cakes. So this is the yarn aisle at my local Spotlight, and there is one on the other side behind me, but there was actually a lady standing there, so I didn't want to get her in the video. This looked really pretty. Has anybody used the this yarn with the Wool Ease Thick and Quick? It looked really good, and I can imagine a beanie made up in that. $18, bit pricey, but if you're going to buy a beanie, it's probably going to be about $18. The yarn I'm using in my project is the HobbiI cotton. It's lovely and soft. It is a number 3, a DK, or a 8-ply yarn, and it uses about a 4mm crochet hook. As you can see, it comes in lots of different colours. I've bought the colour packs. I bought that one there for mine because you get a lot of colours and you get it a little cheaper per ball, so I thought that was good. Very tempted to get more of these, they're so pretty. My hat is nearly finished, but I have so many ends to sew in. This is Charlie. Charlie is our 2-year-old Mastiff Cross. He's a little crazy. What you got? You got a new toy? Have a look. Can I have a look? Can I have a look at this? Can I have a look at this? Is this your new toy? Oh, shit. Someone's a little happy. I managed to sew in all the ends on this hat. I actually did that on the road trip. So the road trip was about a 2-hour drive to our destination, and then obviously about a 2-hour drive on the way back. So I managed to get a lot done. We did 2 days in a row, we did a lot of driving, so I managed to make my hat and I absolutely love it.